Hey, awesome morning changers. How are you all? So, are you able to see some of the letter structures changing or not changing? Are you able to write some of the words and see the difference between the letter structure? Are you able to see 2 3 days after 2 3 days if you are able to write the same word? What are the changes are you able to see? Or any change like minute changes may be visible, but it will be visible, or maybe it won't be visible. It is not, the changes are not there, that's also okay. But are you able to focus, are you able to concentrate on your writing now? Before writing, do you have 1 inch of thought like, am I writing correct? That thought has to come. If you have that thought, like your brain is ready for new changes to come, you are ready to adapt and accept new things in your life, in your work profile, in your day to day routine. So, this one thought, one point of thought where you feel this, like how I'm supposed to write, am I writing right, correct, or did I do something wrong, or the previously which I made a, this is not similar to that a. Any question which occurs while writing, that gives you an intention of improving. And that is why we are changers, because we are changing day by day. Every day this is a new way to change, but at your own pace. One letter a word, 5 letter a word, any letter a word. Are you able to see the changes day by day? So let's go for the next letter structure, that is letter H. There are so many letter H, but here it is still less, because in handwriting samples what we see is amazingly different letter structures, and it is good to see a new letter structure. Here I think my screen is very small, so I could accommodate only so many, but still you can have your own ways of your letter structure. Okay, so this first letter structure is straight with a curvature and no loop. This H has a loop. This H has two loops. This H has loop, and that's all. But this loop is above. This loop is down. This H is going, the line is going little below the letter structure. This H is sharp. This H is short. The height of H is very short. It looks like almost N rather than H. This H does not have depth. This part, the curvature part, does not have depth. So it looks like you want to just drag it. It is just dragging. This H has more height and a V shape rather than the curvature. Now these two letters which I have written here, it is on the line. Now if you are using your words in the lined paper, how your letter structure is seen? Is it going below the line, above the line, or half above, half below? Or is it like, does it look like that line is cutting through the letters, the words you are writing? So these are two letter structure. This H is not touching the line, and this H is going below the line. So I want you to check your handwriting, check your words, write some of the words: happy, Halloween, hello, hi, hose, 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 and words which you feel okay. Can be like, it's just 2 minutes to write certain words, but it will give you the thought process of seeing your handwriting and see the changes with your own eyes, like some graphologist can do for you. But what if you yourself are able to do it for yourself, rather than uh, getting much more help every now and then? Being you a graphologist, you'll be able to see, oh, this is the thing, okay, I have to see this, I have to do this way, how I have to change this way. You will be able to adapt yourself and make yourself much more powerful in the way you see each and every word or letter in your day-to-day writing. You have some work of writing, just write and see, and it has to come naturally to you. Oh, this is like something amazing. Oh, this is like different. This is different. This is different. So it comes each and every time, but it's okay to come. But now you are ready. You are ready to see the changes in your handwriting. I would like to show you once again all these letter structures. Compare your letter structure of H, or if you have any other letter structure which I have not mentioned it here, do write it, click a clear snapshot and send it to us. Then we'll come and connect with you with all these letters and the letters you have some friends letter structure which you feel, Arey, this is something amazing, I have never seen this kind of H. Just click a snapshot, ask them whether they don't have any problem. You take their permission, because people other may not understand you and they feel, oh, they are taking my handwriting, oh, what they'll do with this. So let them understand, and you make them understand we are not doing anything else with your handwriting. We are just looking this for analysis. Wanted to know much more how different shapes and sizes of any letter structure is. So we want that learning, that research to happen. That's why we are taking this. So don't offense anyone. If they are happy to give, take it. If they are not happy to give, it's okay, leave it. You have ample other opportunities also to get that. Okay, so these letter structure is for H, and we'll connect next in the next video for more letter structures, and till then, see you soon. Bye bye.